friends, here I am with another video. This is Jagdish. Hope you all are doing fine. Firstly, thank you all for subscribing to my channel, and for the people who have still not subscribed, kindly do it. Without wasting any time, let's get into the charts. Thank you. Hi guys, time is 10:58. So the bank nifty expiry. So the initial when it got started, it fell down, and now since it is an expiry, so it would be trending over here. Want to take any chances over here? It gets decayed since it is bank nifty expiry. I told you in the beginning, in the morning itself, like I won't be using it full capital. So here it is. If you look at the positions, I don't hold any positions as of now. Currently I took two trades, one in the morning that gave me this much, and the second trade was like this much. So the total profits is this much. I'm here to show with the less capital also you can make money. That's the main motto of this call. I'm here to look at the positions as well once again, and you can have a look on that. These are the positions. That is 10:51 I have closed. The time is 11:02. Date is 21st/8/2024, and the profits for today is 5234. That's it, guys. So in case if I find any opportunities, I'll go with that. Else I'll keep you posted. My sincere request for you all is please share, subscribe and comment on this one, so that it motivates for me to post on a regular basis. Guys, like I told yesterday, I could not able to trade due to some personal work, so only in the morning I trade, and I ended, like I bought it around 440 and I sold it with this thing. Like I told, I don't go with all the lots. In case if I'm placing an order with 4-5 lots, I'll not be going on all the lots. I'll test it first, whether if it is going as per my conviction, then I'll enter it and I'll add few more lots. Else this is the points that I got it yesterday, 40 points. I bought it at 440 and I sold it at 480. Yesterday it was a call trade. This is the strike price, 50,100 call, for your reference once again. Try to keep posting my daily trades, what I have taken. Look at this, guys. This is the profit once again. I told you, no, this is the tax charges. I got 538. My humble request is please subscribe, comment and share this video with all of your friends and family. Okay, thanks much, guys.